You know how to add vectors, but how do you multiply them? Today we learn the dot product, a powerful tool used in physics and engineering. The dot product multiplies two vectors to give a single number called a scalar. The formula is a dot b equals magnitude of a times magnitude of b times cosine of the angle between them. There's an easier way using components. Multiply matching components and add them. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Important property. When the dot product equals 0, the vectors are perpendicular. This is how we test if two lines are at right angles in coordinate geometry. Example 1. Find the dot product of vector A equals 3, 4 and vector B equals 5, -2. Multiply matching components. 3 times 5 plus 4 times -2. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times -2 is -8. 15 plus -8 equals 7, so a dot B equals 7. Example 2 with 3 dimensions. Vector A equals 2, -1, 3. Vector B equals 1, 4, 2. Multiply matching components. 2 times 1 plus -1 times 4 plus 3 times 2. 2 plus -4 plus 6 equals 4. The dot product is 4. Same method works in any dimension. Common mistake: students write the answer as a vector in brackets. Wrong. The dot product is always a single number, not a vector. Add the products, don't write them in brackets. Remember, dot gives you a number. Multiply matching components, then add them up. If you get 0, the vectors are perpendicular. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to practice more questions and master mathematics.